gonna smoke me a fatty brisket.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some pork tenderloin sliders at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right. Looks good enough to eat already. All right. It's pork tenderloin time, and here is your typical pork tenderloin. They're often sold in a package, two like that, right? That would be the whole pig tenderloin. And preparing it is simple. You got a little flap on the end. You can cut that off with your knife if you want for some even cooking, right? You want it consistent. Or you can fold the flap back and tie it on with a little bit of butcher string. Simple enough. All right. Oh, man. Now, if you've never had pork tenderloin sliders before, you definitely got to check this out. This is some good eating at the pit. And it's a fairly economical cut of pork, as you know. I mean, ribs cost a lot more than a pork tenderloin. Now, here, Pitmaster, drenching it with some olive oil, right? And here is our SPG. If you don't have SPG, get your favorite seasoning. You want some salt, some pepper, some garlic, a few other flavors, whatever you got. Or check out our SPG over on our website. We appreciate your support. Now, because pork is so lean, it lacks a lot of flavor, right? It's kind of tasteless. So you need to really enhance the flavoring. And this is how we're going to do it. We're going to use some aromatics here, right? We've got some scallions, some shallots, some rosemary in there. And we'll get them in this hot oil. Get all that flavoring out of there because we need it for this pork tenderloin. Whew. All right, now we're going to add these tenderloins to the pot. And we're going to start searing them. Just like that. Now remember, pork cooks very quickly and you do not want to overcook it. You will kill it. You will ruin it. You want to keep turning it like this quickly, right? You want to, as much as possible, keep that moisture in there. And you do that by flipping and turning constantly. Now, let's get some of that grill flavor on there. We'll go direct over the flames. Keep spinning. Don't let it sit. Can you smell that? It smells good. And if you can't, well, you're on the wrong damn channel, right? All right. All right, back in the pan, grab some more of that flavored oil. Just keep doing this. And like I said, it doesn't take long. Now, we initially want an internal temperature of these pork loins at about 110 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. You do the conversion to Celsius. All right. All right, keep it going. And like I said, careful about overcooking pork. You will ruin it, right? So we're going to cook it, like I said, to about 110 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit initially. Then we're going to take it out of the pan and we're going to wrap it in some foil. Now, some call this a cheat. It used to be called a Texas cheat. But the idea here is to finish it off by wrapping it in foil to let it slowly come to temperature. And we're looking for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. That's it. You want a little pinkish on the inside, but just get rid of it, right? But you all know how to do that. All right, now, cut up some more veggies, some scallions, and here we've got that roasted pepper we did at the beginning. You get the seeds out. These are your condiments that are going on your sliders, right? Oh, man. Now, take a look at this. The internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit has been reached. We're going to slice it up, and you can see the pinkish color of that pork tenderloin. That's the way you want it. Now, set them up the way you want, right? We've got some barbecue sauce. We've got some mayo. Here we've got some fresh slices of mozzarella. We got some of that roasted pepper. And the pitmaster is going to eat it in front of you, and he's not apologizing. To get the recipe, head on over to our website. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.